Jiggle the throttle some. Pussy can't even open up the throttle.
He knows it's a sit down, not a stand up right.
Yeah.
Then why is he standing up?
It's pretty funny how he won't hit the throttle either.
I'm going to show him who's boss at it. Can I? Please. Can I show him who's boss at it?
Nope.
I want to. You know you can hit the throttle, right?
Douchebag stalled it.
What does that mean?
Means the engine died because he wasn't working it right.
Well, him standing up on it won't do it.
Nah, I know, but whatever.
Let's put him to stand up next.
Chippy, shut up.
Is there fishes in the water?
Probably.
Where are the fishes? This is entertaining. Look at all those bubbles. Those are where the fishes are.
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Has he ever ridden a jet ski?
Nope.
Can I take him on and show him who's boss?
Nope.
Please! I want to.
Of course you're boss. You've ridden it quite a few times. This is his first time ever on anyone.
3 times, actually.
Hey, Rob! Rob! Sit your ass down. Ooh, that's so good. Sit your ass down and hit the throttle full way.
Bro, this is a lot of work.
Yeah?
Oh!
It stinks, doesn't it, Chippy?
Bro, I'm not trying to fall.
All the way throttle, let's go, let's go! Throttle it all the way, let's go!
There he goes.
Doing really good for first timer, right?
I hope he falls. It's going to be fun.
How's he supposed to catch the jet ski? Well, that's his power, right?
Pretty much.
And worst comes
If he
to
falls
worst,
off and he doesn't have the bracelet on him, I'll just go get the wave runner.
what's that?
That one?
The last one?
Yeah. I hope he eats dirt. I mean water.
Eat water, eat water, eat water. What's that? Eat aqua. Eat agua.